fibers market, products and applications. This report quantifies the high-performance fibers market by fiber type, carbon fibers market by application, para-aramid fiber market by application, and meta-aramid fiber market by application. This report also segments the UHMWPE fiber market by application, PPS fiber market by application, and the global high-performance fibers installed production capacity. Geographical analysis of the market covers Americas, Europe, Asia, and rest of the world. The report profiles key market players such as Avient Corporation, DuPont de Nemours, Inc., Hexel Corporation, Colin Industries, Inc., Mitsubishi Chemical Corporation, SGL Carbon SE, Ciensco SA, Taekwang Industrial Company, Limited, Teijin Limited, Toray Industries, Inc., Toyobo MC Corporation, Yantai Tahoe Advanced Materials Company, Limited and more. Global market analysis of high-performance fibers. Product segment analysis of high-performance fibers market. Regional analysis of high-performance fibers market.